Picture this. It's a freezing morning, your car won't start, and your only hope is reviving the battery. Do you grab a $30 budget charger, or is the $150 premium option worth the splurge? Today, we'll break down the differences and help you decide if spending more actually pays off. Features comparison. Let's dive into what these chargers offer. Budget chargers are simple and wallet-friendly. Take the Black & Decker BM3B. It gets the job done. Most budget models operate at 5 to 8 amps and work well with standard lead-acid batteries. They're no frills, but reliable for the basics. Premium chargers, like the Noco Genius 10 or Tech MXS 5.0, are a different beast. They feature multi-stage charging, compatibility with AGM, gel, and lithium-ion batteries, and temperature sensors for charging in all conditions. They're designed for precision and versatility, ensuring your battery stays in top shape. Performance and speed. Charging speed is where the gap widens. Budget models are steady but slow, taking hours to recharge a standard battery and sometimes struggling with deeply discharged ones. Premium chargers deliver faster results, often operating at 10 to 30 amps. They adapt to your battery's condition with multi-stage charging, which not only speeds up the process but also protects your battery from overcharging, extending its lifespan. Safety features. Safety matters, especially when dealing with car batteries. Budget chargers have the essentials: reverse polarity protection and basic overcharge prevention. However, their reliability in extreme weather can vary. Premium chargers, such as the Schumacher SC1280, raise the bar with spark-proof technology, overheat sensors, and built-in diagnostics. Whether it's icy cold or blazing hot, these chargers are designed to perform safely. Build quality and durability. Here's where the price tag starts to make sense. Budget chargers are lightweight and portable, but often made with cheaper materials. Most come with warranties of a year or less. Premium chargers are rugged, weatherproof, and built to last. With extended warranties of 3 to 5 years, they're a long-term investment that can handle heavy use and tough conditions. Suitability and use cases. So, which charger is right for you? If you're an occasional user or driving an older vehicle, a budget charger might be perfect. They're ideal for emergencies or maintaining a car that spends most of its time in storage. If you're a car enthusiast, a professional, or someone with multiple vehicles, premium chargers are worth considering. Their advanced features and versatility make them reliable tools for frequent or demanding use. Cost versus value analysis. At first glance, premium chargers might seem expensive, but they can save you money in the long run by extending battery life and handling diverse charging needs. Budget chargers are excellent for occasional use, but they may not last as long or perform as well in tough conditions. Think about how often you'll use it, the types of vehicles you own, and whether the investment in a premium charger will pay off over time. So, here's the bottom line. If you need a straightforward, affordable option for occasional use, a budget charger will do the job. But if you value speed, safety, and durability, a premium charger is a smart investment.